Yo, what's going on? So, I did a thing. So, I just sheared the bolts on the shovel. Showed you pictures of that. Little rubber isolator. I did the same dang thing on my ground strap. I was doing some work in the primary. My brother suggested detaching the negative battery terminal. Did it from there because it was easy, and went to put it back on, and apparently I just hulked the crap out of it and sheared the damn thing off. So nice. My brother thinks it's a stud. It's not a welded nut, so I'm gonna try to weld a washer to it and then weld a nut and hopefully be able to back that thing out. But yeah, life's hard when you're dumb. Wish me luck. Alright, so I cut through the weld along the top with a little Dremel, this guy, little cutting bit. And now, got a clamp. I'm gonna try just using the inside of this shock mount. Goes through the frame as my ground, and I will try to weld the washer around it and then a nut on top of that, and then try to just back that out if I can. Gloves, safety third. Here in Southern California, we have a large Hispanic community, obviously. We get guys with carts pushing through the neighborhoods offering Mexican treats like elote, toasted elote, and other various snacks covered in chamoy or tahini. I just lit my bike on fire. Woo! Fun. Oh, I didn't even get it freaking on there, son of a jerk. So that may have worked. It was a nylock, so the little nylon in there caught fire, melted, but let me see. Actually, I might put a little bead on the outside of this edge if I can. It's probably a good idea.
Y'all ever have one of those days when just nothing is going your way? This is one of those days. What was supposed to be a quick, easy repair turned into a lot longer than I really had time for. But such is life, right?
Sorry, I didn't really film a whole lot more, but I basically ground it flat. And I welded this grade 8 bolt down there. Just finished welding. I'm gonna use the chip and hammer wire brush to try to clean it up, check it out. But I think this is what I'm gonna have to do for my ground now. So, hooray! This is where I'm at.
Ludicrous speed! Go!
Seems sturdy. Alright, got my ground wires put back on using a grade 8 nut and lock washer. Please don't break. I gotta remember not to hulk it this time. Thus grabbing it close to the head after I get it snug down. That feels good. Good and tight. Didn't destroy it. Didn't Hulk smash it. So now I guess I can try to start it. Let me go get the keys. I'll be right back. Alright. Let's give it a try.
Great success.
Now time will tell whether or not that weld holds and how good the penetration was on that weld, on that grade 8 bolt. I'm not too sure. I had this thing, you can see the settings on this thing maxed out. 10 on the wire feed, E on the voltage. So I'm hoping we just really burn that in there real good and it holds and I never have a problem with it, but I guess we will see soon enough, huh? If I get stranded.
Well, boys, she's running good. No problems whatsoever. I'm actually wrapping this up a few days later and it's been running great. So happy to report that. Hope you enjoyed watching it. Please like and subscribe. Tell me in the comments how bad I am at this. And until next time, keep your knees in the breeze. Peace.